Hey, my name is Pablo Serrano, and I am a nutrition dietetics student at Arizona State University. Today I'll be telling you what I basically read in the news. The article I read had to do with the increasing amounts of CO2 on our atmosphere and how it's affecting our plants or our produce that we eat. So, to give you a little backdrop, the article has to do with a researcher. His name is Irakli Lolades. Um, Sorry about the pronunciation, but basically, he and a couple of other researchers they were looking to increase the amounts of seaweed algae for this school of plankton, zooplankton, and just trying to get them to thrive. Um, what they did to increase the seaweed algae, they just basically shined more light onto it, increasing photosynthesis, all that good stuff. Um, well, it did give the zooplankton a more abundant source of food, but the nutrient profile of the seaweed algae wasn't enough to sustain life for the zooplankton. Um, the researchers were pretty much dumbfounded, like, what? This doesn't make any sense. There's more food for the zooplankton to eat, therefore, they should survive. Well, that wasn't the case. Um, they found that the seaweed algae was actually producing more carbohydrates, more sugars, instead of the healthy nutrients that were enriched in them. So pretty much nutrient depletion was going on. And Mr. Lola Days, he wanted to see if this had any application to our food source, basically the vegetables that we grow and crops and whatnot. And it took him forever to get funding for the research to do this, which was unfortunate because no one could really see the implications and what this was doing to us, possibly, until finally agricultural science caught on and the USDA went ahead and like looked at the nutrient profiles of some of the more popular crops that we grow in the USA. And what they found, he wasn't surprised, was minerals, vitamin, and protein content had actually dropped from from the past 50 to 70 years, and that's pretty astonishing. So definitely more research needs to go into this, as this can have implications for years to come as global warming doesn't stop. Earth's only gonna get a little hotter, and we gotta find new ways to grow more nutrient dense foods or do something because we don't know what can happen later on. So yeah, if you're looking to get more news like this, feel free to subscribe to me, and thanks for listening. Bye.